Welcome to the Oyster Behavior Lab. I'm a marine biologist as well as a healer of the tragically lovelorn. When it comes to oyster reef restoration in South Carolina, I combine my academic prowess with my natural matchmaking abilities. You see, the Nature Conservancy and its partners including the State Department of Natural Resources, is refurbishing endangered oyster reefs by matching them with lonely oyster shells recycled from restaurants where they've literally been used and heartlessly tossed aside. These oyster shells did nothing to deserve being thrown away, only to end up in a landfill somewhere. All they did was offer a kiss from the sea to the diners who greedily consume them and then coldly dump them. It's so sad, but something can be done to rehabilitate the rejected ones. Matching up the lonely hearts with those still seeking their significant others helps the environment by helping replenish the reefs. These are vital habitat to hundreds of lovelorn estuarine species. Now that's a match made in heaven. Stop the madness. Help us help oyster shells and reefs form happy and lasting ecological unions. With the help of Pepsi, we can expand our restaurant shell recycling through the rest of the state and make it a model for the nation. Oysters do so much for our own love lives. I think it's time to give back, don't you?